Right now, you are already on social media. Why not turn that into an income generating machine? Hi there, my friend. My name is Errol, just an ordinary dad and individual who managed to build a six-figure business online. I started my journey with $100, and I've been following a step-by-step blueprint that's assisted me in doing so. Now, I can email it to you. All you need to do is number one, give this video a like. Number two, comment the word ready, and I'll email it to you. Now, you can use your mobile phone, my friend, to build yourself a business online, whereby you create more time freedom for yourself to do the things that you love doing without having to message people, without having to pick up the phone and phone people in order to buy from you, without having to go knock on doors, without you personally having to sit there and type emails and send it to them. You can have a fully automated system working 24 hours, 7 days a week that does all the selling and telling for you, so that you can live life on your terms, and then when they get started, they can live their life on their terms. You can live your life on your terms. So the opportunity is right here, right now. Get started now. Give this video a like, comment the word ready. Let me email this blueprint to you and get started.